Quart cans are transported to 2 independent filling scale stations. Empty quart cans are auto-tiered and filled to their stored target weight 2 cans at a time. Once filled, quart cans are transported via tabletop chain conveyor to the dedicated auto lid placer for cans. Integrated star wheels ensure exact alignment of the lids to the can rim after lid drop. After lids are placed, cans are transported to the heavy-duty roller closer station for lid sealing. An integrated no-lid sensor ensures all filled cans leave the rolling closing station with lids before being transported to final packaging steps. The automated process of empty container transport to the filling, lidding and lid sealing stations is repeated until the entire batch of empty containers has run through the machine. The process is the same for gallon cans. For 5-gallon pail filling, conveyor rails are widened, and container stops are quickly adjusted to preset positions. Pre-stored pail filling recipes are selected via the color touchscreen HMI. A dedicated 5-gallon auto lid placer is loaded with lids prior to starting the filling process. Pail handle guides ensure pails maintain their orientation post-fill, so lids with spouts can be placed without handle interference when lid spouts are used to pour product. Filled and lidded pails are sent to the heavy-duty roller closer for sealing. An integrated no-lid sensor ensures all filled pails leave the rolling closing station with lids before being transported to final packaging steps. The ideal Pace Auto 2-head net weight filling system for quart, gallon and